In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to excel in Excel formulas. Excel is not just a spreadsheet program, it's a powerful tool for analyzing data and making informed decisions. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a better understanding of how to utilize Excel formulas to calculate and analyze data effectively. First things first, we need to access Excel. If you don't have it installed on your computer, no worries. Microsoft offers a free version of Excel Online that you can use with just a Microsoft account. To get started, navigate to the free Microsoft 365 online webpage. Here you'll find Excel along with other Microsoft Office applications available for free online use. Once you're on the page, the next step is to sign in. Click on the Sign In button. If you already have a Microsoft account, this is where you'll need it. If not, now might be a good time to create one. Signing in is a straightforward process. Simply type in your email address, then click on the Next button. The page will prompt you to enter your password next. This step is crucial for accessing Excel Online and storing your work in the cloud on OneDrive, ensuring you can access your documents from anywhere at any time. After successfully signing in, we'll jump right into an example to illustrate how to use formulas in Excel. For this example, we'll be working on a sales data spreadsheet. This example will guide you through calculating the percentage of a specific sale. Once you have your Excel sheet open, either an existing document or a new one, locate an empty cell where you'd like to perform your calculation. For the sake of this tutorial, let's say you want to determine the percentage of sales for a particular item. The formula to calculate the percentage of a sale is relatively simple. Equal sign B2/C2 asterisk 100. Here B2 represents the cell where the number of items sold is recorded, and C2 represents the total number of items available. By dividing the number of items sold by the total number of items, and then multiplying by 100, you receive the sales percentage. Now let's break down the process. Click on the cell where you want the result to be displayed. Type in the formula exactly as shown, ensuring you replace B2 and C2 with the respective cells corresponding to your data. Once you input the formula, press enter. Excel will immediately compute the calculation and display the percentage of the sale in the selected cell. It's essential to understand the mechanics behind the formula you just used. The division part of the formula, B2/C2, calculates the ratio of the items sold to the total items available. Multiplying this ratio by 100 converts it into a percentage, making it easier to interpret the data. This example reinforces how powerful and versatile Excel formulas can be when analyzing and displaying data. Remember, this is just the tip of the iceberg. Excel formulas can range from simple operations like addition and subtraction to more complex functions such as VLOOKUP, index, match, and more. The key to excelling in Excel formulas is practice and experimentation. Don't hesitate to try new formulas and apply them to different data sets to see what insights you can uncover. In wrapping up, I hope this tutorial has provided you with a solid foundation in utilizing basic Excel formulas. With the skills you've learned today, you're well on your way to becoming proficient in Excel. Whether you're managing personal finances, analyzing business data, or just organizing information, mastering Excel formulas is an invaluable skill that will enhance your analytical capabilities. That's all for today's tutorial. Ensure to practice the steps covered in this video to bolster your understanding and efficiency in using Excel formulas. Keep exploring, keep learning, and you'll find that Excel's capabilities are only limited by your imagination. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.